Gringo Bling. We're in Nashville, Tennessee, aka Music City, with the homie Elvis, and I'm looking for the best tacos in town. We asked the fans, you guys voted, El Gordito's Taco Shop. They don't have a truck, and they don't have a restaurant, but they're catering, and they will pull up on you and make it happen. Por favor, believe it.
I cannot hear you, you can say the drummer. I like chips and salsa, I like chips and salsa. I like chips and salsa, I like chips and salsa. Came upon a check, that's a lot of commas. 100, 0, 0, 0, then I come.
I was born with barbacoa grease running through my veins.
Is that a tear? Is that a teardrop?
I feel like, you know, you just brought so many good memories. I wasn't even like midnight big gordito right now. I was chubby. These are really good.
Say the drummer. I like chips and salsa, I like chips and salsa.
Salsa más picante de la salsa atómica. Esto es estilo de dónde es?
It's a mixture between a Jalisco and a Michoacan kind of salsa, man. It's just spicy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, and what kind of pepper is that?
It's really just chile de árbol.
Chile de árbol and like some type of aceite.
A little bit of secret recipes and spices.
He won't say, he won't say. How do you promote, man? How do you get the word out?
Man, really, it's always been just word of mouth with us. It's, you know, like, hey, you gotta check this dude out. You gotta go here. You gotta call him.
People think Nashville, they don't think official San Luis tacos, but we're having them right here.
You won't find it nowhere else in Nashville but a Gorditos.
I like chips and salsa, I like chips and salsa. When it's tax season, fuck your baby mama. I cannot hear you, you can say the drummer. I like chips and salsa, I like chips and salsa.